Imagine waking up and learning that you have earned $150. Then, it is already directly depicted on your bank account. After that, you find out that you earn another $300. Well, this imagination is actually a reality for me and many people out there. Don't worry, you can also make your imagination a reality. In this video, I will tell you how to make money online in a way that only few people know about. You will make a review about 5 different applications. Then, they will pay you for doing so. All you need to do is to download the app and log in every day to get your money. It is absolutely free with no investment needed. Moreover, it is available worldwide. It is really an incredible hack, so do not exit the video and watch me demonstrate it. A reminder before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first application that will let you make money by simply downloading it is called Instagc.com. Download this on your mobile phone. Do not worry because it works both on iOS and Android. Try looking at their Facebook page and you will see their name, logo, and a lot of payment proofs. Honestly, they are very transparent about it. Look at this. They congratulate people for redeeming $66 in PayPal. There's no need to worry if you do not have a PayPal or bank account because you may also redeem your money in other ways like the Amazon gift card. Look at this. You will earn points for the things that you do online. Example, you will get paid for answering some surveys. If you have more time on your hands, you can search the web and browse various websites. You will earn money for every minute that you spend browsing. Another way to earn money is to watch videos. Actually, this is one of my favorites because you just need to play and let the video run. You will earn even if it is only playing in the background. You can also watch multiple videos at a time to increase your earnings more. Well, you can also open new sites or answer some survey questions simultaneously. In just one application, you can create various streams of income. To do this, just join Instagc using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. You can also do this by creating a username, password, and email address. After that, click the sign up button. Doing this will give you an instant 10 points for free. As for the next application, it is called App Karma. You will earn rewards for playing with this application. It is also absolutely free and it is working on iOS and Android. The points that you earn on this application can be redeemed on PayPal or various top brand gift cards. What you will do is to click the button to download App Karma on your phone. Once it is already installed, you will get 300 points. Take note that for every 100 points, you will get $1, meaning they are already giving you $3 in advance and for free. If you want to increase your earnings through this application, you can refer this to other people by sharing your invite link or referral code. You will get 30% of the earnings of your referrals. Example, you referred one person and he earned $100. Now, You will also earn $30 from it without doing anything. Another reason why this app is good is because you will just log in daily and earn daily rewards. You will also make money for completing certain achievements and tasks. They will offer you various badges that will allow you to level up. As you increase your reward level energy, you can earn additional 12.5% of the bonus. Literally, you will be able to multiply your earnings. You can go from $100 into $125 by using the badges that you get. So always check the achievement badges to increase your earnings as much as possible. Now for the third application, it is called Cashkick. To proceed, go to cashkick.com. They do not utilize the point system in this application. Instead, they will pay you cash for using the application. They will send the cash through bank transfer or through your PayPal. You will just answer various surveys on this website. You can also find great deals, stream videos, and surf the web to earn money on this app. It is just like Instagc, but this is better because you will earn more on this app. Again, focus all your energy on streaming videos because that is where you can earn the most. To sign up, just use your email address and create a unique password. After that, press this button to get started. Let us now proceed to the fourth application, which is called Superpay. Now, proceed to superpay.me. Just like the previous apps, you can earn money with free paid surveys and you can get paid within 24 hours. The cash out threshold is also low, so you can work as much or as little as you want. If you join today, you instantly get 20 cents as a bonus. Currently, they have already given more than $3 million to all their users worldwide. Again, you will just answer surveys and complete various offers. You will get paid in cash through their various payment options. You can get paid through PayPal Money, Amazon gift card, Tango gift card, and etc. They also show payment proofs so you will know who they have paid today. Furthermore, they list the names of their members as well as their preferred payment method. Well, most of them want to get paid through PayPal. So, what you need to do is to press this button right here and click the Join Free Today. Now, you will be redirected onto another page where you will do the sign up process. Just include your personal information and email address. Again, they are accepting members from all over the world. After that, just put your account details right here so you can get paid for your completed tasks. After that, agree to the terms and conditions of the site. Fill up the I am not a robot box and create a free account. Basically, these are the apps that you can use to make money passively. You can download it on your phone freely, and yet you can earn from it again and again. And so, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.